Welcome. In this video, we will learn how to actually run async code in Python using asyncio.run. Async functions are special. Just calling one does nothing by itself. Async.run is the command that fires up the engine and actually executes your async code. We start by importing asyncio, which is Python's built-in library for writing asynchronous code. We define our async function using async.def. Inside it, we use await before async.sleep, because await is only allowed inside an async function. Line 8 is the entry point. Asyncio.run takes our main function call and starts the event loop, running main from top to bottom before shutting down cleanly. Running the program prints hello from async, pauses for 1 second during the await, then prints done sleeping. Asyncio.run kept going until main was fully complete. Remember, call asyncio.run exactly once, always at the top level of your program. Never use await outside an async function, and never call your async function without asyncio.run. To recap, asyncio.run is your on switch for async Python. Define your logic in an async function, then hand it to asyncio.run exactly once, and Python takes care of the rest.